Ever deleted a WhatsApp message you instantly regretted? Maybe it was an important chat, a voice memo, or even a business conversation, and then it was gone. Well, here's proof that it doesn't have to stay that way. My name is Daniel, and today I'm showing you GByte Recovery. It's already scanned my iPhone and pulled up a full list of deleted WhatsApp messages, voice memos, photos, videos, you name it. This data was deleted just yesterday, and now it's all back on my screen like nothing ever happened. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's walk through exactly how this works. Okay folks, GByte Recovery is a powerful desktop tool designed to restore deleted WhatsApp data on iPhones and iPads, but only if your data was previously backed up to iCloud. To get started, head over to their official site and download the app for Windows or macOS. Once installed, open GByte. Here's what it looks like. GByte will prompt you to choose the types of data you want to recover. You can select everything in one click, or just the essentials. It covers a wide range of data, from app photos and videos to documents and voice notes. You'll also find system data included, plus content from third-party apps like Instagram, Telegram, Snapchat, and yes, of course, WhatsApp. GByte can recover WhatsApp data from your iCloud backup. Since we're focused on WhatsApp, we'll make sure WhatsApp and attachment is checked. Once that's selected, click Scan. You'll be asked to log into your iCloud account, so the software can securely access your cloud-stored data. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. After logging in, GByte will take you to the recovery dashboard. You can now filter the results to show only deleted items, only existing items, or both. Perfect if you're after something specific. Choose the WhatsApp account or backup to scan, set your preferred date range, then click Search. When the scan completes, you'll get a preview of all recoverable data, organized by message type, media, and attachments. Select the items you want to keep, click Recover Now, and choose a folder on your computer to save them. That's it. Your deleted chats are back and safely stored outside your phone. And the best part? You don't need to uninstall WhatsApp and you won't lose any of your current messages. Once the scan is done, you can save the deleted content directly to your computer without affecting anything on your phone. Everything stays private and under your control. Whether you're recovering a full conversation, a few important documents, or just one voice note, GByte gives you full control over what to bring back. It even works if your phone has been reset, damaged, jailbroken, or if the data was lost months ago. As long as it hasn't been overwritten, GByte can find it. It's also great for WhatsApp business accounts. If you accidentally deleted a message from a customer, a payment confirmation, or an order request, you can recover it just as easily. Compared to other tools, GByte is faster, 2 to 3 times in most cases, and optimized for deep scans that don't slow down your system. Plus, if you're switching iPhones, GByte also lets you recover your full WhatsApp history from the old device, including messages, media, and attachments with no data loss. It supports everything from iPhone 5 to the newest iPhone 16, all iPads and iOS versions up to iOS 18. You can also recover your data directly from your phone using the GByte app. First, I'll choose all the data I want to retrieve from the backup. To do this, I need to connect my iCloud account. Once that's done, the app starts scanning, and we just wait for the results. When the scan is complete, we see a list of recoverable data across multiple categories: photos, videos, calls, and more. All of this can be restored. Let's tap on Photos. The app scans this section, and we can preview each photo before recovering it. Now let's check Phone Call, then WhatsApp and its attachments. We can even see full chat threads here. The same goes for notes and other types of data. We can also manage account information right from the app, and if you want to export everything, you can easily move the recovered data to your PC for more convenient processing and storage. To sum it up, GByte Recovery helps you get back deleted WhatsApp messages, photos, videos, and more. It's fast, private, easy to use, and gives you full control over what to restore. So whether you lost personal chats, business conversations, or just that one meme from 3 months ago, GByte can help you recover it. Feel free to download it now using the link below and see what's still hiding on your phone. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like or subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time.